Hey guys, I'm Singh and you're watching Tech AtoZ, and today I'll unbox these circle case fans. These are for PC case fans or cabinet fan, whatever you can say. And these are 120mm fan, and as you can watch by branding, I bought it from eBay. Actually, you can buy it from Amazon too. There is no much price difference. Actually, I think there is 20 or 30 rupees price difference, because on Amazon it is 450 or 460 rupees, and on eBay I got it on 430 rupees. But I had to buy two fans, that's why I have gone for eBay, so I can save 40-50 rupees. You know, saving is good, whatever it is. And another thing which I think is important to tell, that these fans has LED, because LED is very important for at least gamers. So I'm doing kind of experimental type of thing, because my PC has right now 3 fans, 2 inlet fans which are taking air from outside and pumping that inside. Those 2 fans are on the front side, and 1 fan is at back side, which is outlet fan, taking air from inside, hot air from inside and ejecting that outside. But my case has 2 extra fan slots on the upper side, and those are 120mm slots. Every fan in my PC is 120mm, so I bought these 2 fans for those. And I want to see that what impact these fan makes on the temperature, because summers are almost here, and where I am in India, highest temperatures are already started to reach around 35 to 40 degrees in day. So till now I was using a stock cooler of CPU, so it was okay in winter, but now it is getting too hot. So I'm doing this experiment. I also bought Hyper 212 LED coolers from Cooler Master for my CPU, that is Ryzen 5 1600. So first I will install these 2 fans and then see what impact these are making, and then I'll install cooler and then see what difference that is making. Yeah, so let's unbox it. And if you want to buy it, I will give you link in description, both Amazon link and eBay link. You can go and buy it. So let's unbox it.
Nothing left in here. As you can see on the receipt, Circle Stay Cool C12 120mm red LED case cabinet cooling fan. Quantity 2 and total price rupees 860. That means one fan cost 430 rupees. Let's see what's the MRP printed on it. Okay, printed MRP on the box is 599 rupees. Here are the specifications. If you want to read them, you can pause the video and read them. So let's open it. That's all in the box. These are screws, and I want to see if they are rubber screws or metal screws. No, they are all metal ones. You can find 2 headers on this fan. One is 2-pin Molex connector and other one is 3-pin connector. So if you want to plug it in the motherboard, you can do it. You also get these rubber pads in the box. You can place them between the screw header and the cabinet. It is made to reduce the vibration in cabinet caused by spinning fans. Let's quickly unbox this one too. So that was it. I'll soon come up with the installation and review of these fans.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Soon I'll give you the installation video where I will install these fans into the PC, and then I'll give you a review that what impact they made on temperature. And again, if you want to buy these fans, you can buy it from the description. If you'll buy from those links, you'll give a little kickback to us. So if you like this video, please hit like button, and if you disliked it, you can always dislike it. And if you disliked it, please leave your reason in the comment section, that why did you dislike this video, so I can improve that factor in the upcoming videos. And the most important thing, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please go subscribe. There is a subscribe button below this video, that red color button, you know it. Please go click that, subscribe. And if you don't want to do all that hassle, that's very hard work for you, there is an icon, click it, subscribe from here. And if you want to watch my videos in Hindi, here is my Hindi channel, click it, subscribe from here. For those Hindi videos, go there, watch my videos in Hindi. And there will be some videos, 2 videos I think here somewhere, so you can watch these videos too. These are good videos, I think you should watch. So I really hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck. Thank you.